Now you've uploaded your accessibility package and set up your site, let's talk about what we see. One thing I want you to understand is this does look bad, and this was intentional because we want you to go in and fix. So you're going to practice on this site. So this does look bad. If we look at the instructions, it's going to tell you that there are accessibility issues, and you need to identify what's inaccessible. Something to understand when you're in the builder is how it looks. You're going to see things that don't look like a regular website, like these boxes going around certain areas. These are just components that you can work within. If you are over here, you see all these settings on the top left. But if you wanted to see it as someone who was actually visiting the site, you just hit preview. And now I can see it, and all of that disappears. So go to preview mode, and then you'll be able to access the menu. After you navigate to the home page, homework page, this is where I tell you what the problems were on the page. At the top, I'm explaining what the issues are. And it actually goes beyond the home page because we're going to talk about the page we're on. It is very difficult to read. And you're going to follow these steps. Step 1, step 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and be able to fix things on the site. So go to the next video where I talk about how to do that.